guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove background from pictures or from photos using the Canva app. Now as you can see here guys, I'm in the Canva app on my phone here, and let's start by clicking the plus in the middle of the phone. So once you click on plus, you can go ahead and you can create your own custom size, or you can use something that is pre-made from here. So I'm going to go ahead and choose, for example, the YouTube thumbnail. I'm going to choose, for example, a YouTube thumbnail as the blank canvas there. I'm going to click on got it. And here you can see I have the blank canvas. Now, the first thing we want to do is to actually add a photo so that we can go ahead and have something that we can work with. Now, you can go ahead and you can use, for example, your own photos that you have, or you can go ahead and you can get something from the media or from photos. So you can go ahead and you can upload. So if you want to upload something, you can tap the upload button right here, and it's going to basically allow you to upload something from your phone. Once you tap on upload, you can upload something. As you can see, if you click on upload, you can choose something from your own phone, from your device. You can tap on device here and you can go into your phone, or you can use something that you have in your phone. Now for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and use something from within the whole Canva library. So I'm going to go ahead and go to photos. Now here you can search for whatever you want and basically do it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just keep it real simple here. But as I said, you can go ahead and you can remove background from any picture that you have. So let's go ahead and take, for example, the first option here. And I click on that. And as you can see, this picture here actually now is on my canvas, and I can stretch it out and make it large how I want. It's really up to you how you want to do it. Now, how do you go ahead and remove background? Now, as you can see, once I select the image, you start to see some options appear at the bottom, and you see there remove background at the bottom. There's just simple tap on remove background, and you're going to see quickly that it removes the background from the picture. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple.